Most common illnesses and failure to diagnose cases are probably going to be different types of cancers. And the one thing that we have to prove in failure to diagnose cases is, number one, that the doctor breached the standard of care, that the doctor deviated from what is good and accepted medical practice. But that's not it, because you can't just prove a mistake by itself. For example, a mistake that was made, if it was an academic mistake that caused no harm, it's not actionable. So what you also have to prove, in addition to the mistake, is the fact that the deviation from good and accepted practice caused the injury. So you almost have to show two roads or two paths that the client goes down. For example, one path or one life that he would have led had the diagnosis been correct, and another more severe, more drastic, more horrendous path that includes chemotherapy, radiation, or even death because of the doctor's mistake. And those two roads become a very important proof or element of damages in medical malpractice failure to diagnose cases. Hi, my name is Arkady Freckman of Freckman & Associates, attorneys and counselors at law, with offices in Manhattan and Brooklyn, New York. If you've been injured in any type of accident or serious injury, please call us for a free consultation.